Mastering compliance policy. Leadership accountability is the only way to achieve operational excellence. Why is it essential for the policy to assign leadership accountability and responsibility to them, in order to ensure that they achieve operational excellence? Assigning leadership accountability and responsibility is a crucial aspect of ensuring operational excellence in compliance policy. This is because leaders play a pivotal role in setting the tone and direction for their teams, and are ultimately responsible for ensuring that their departments or teams operate in a manner that is consistent with the organization's compliance obligations. When leaders are held accountable and responsible for achieving operational excellence, they are more likely to prioritize compliance and risk management, and to allocate the necessary resources to support these efforts. This includes providing adequate training and resources to their teams, implementing effective controls and processes, and monitoring and reviewing performance to ensure that it meets the required standards. Moreover, when leaders are accountable, they are more likely to foster a culture of accountability within their teams, where employees understand the importance of compliance and are motivated to perform their duties in a manner that is consistent with the organization's compliance obligations. This, in turn, helps to ensure that the organization is better equipped to identify and manage risks, and to respond effectively to any compliance issues that may arise. Furthermore, assigning leadership accountability and responsibility helps to ensure that compliance is integrated into the organization's overall strategy and operations. This means that compliance is not viewed as a standalone function, but rather as an integral part of the organization's overall business operations. This, in turn, helps to ensure that compliance considerations are taken into account when making strategic decisions, and that the organization is better equipped to achieve its business objectives while also meeting its compliance obligations. Additionally, holding leaders accountable for operational excellence helps to ensure that they are more focused on continuous improvement and are motivated to identify areas for improvement and implement changes to improve compliance and reduce risk. This includes implementing effective risk management processes, monitoring and reviewing performance data, and identifying opportunities to improve efficiency and effectiveness. In terms of implementation, this can be achieved by ensuring that leaders have clear roles and responsibilities, and that they are aware of the expectations and requirements for achieving operational excellence. This includes providing them with the necessary training, resources, and support to enable them to meet their obligations, as well as holding them accountable for their performance through regular reporting and review. It is also essential to ensure that leaders are empowered to make decisions and take actions that support operational excellence, and that they have the necessary authority and resources to implement changes and improvements. This includes providing them with a clear mandate to prioritize compliance and risk management, and ensuring that they have the necessary budget and resources to support these efforts. Finally, assigning leadership accountability and responsibility for operational excellence helps to ensure that the organization is better equipped to respond to any compliance issues or failures. When leaders are accountable, they are more likely to take prompt and effective action to address any issues that arise, and to ensure that the necessary steps are taken to prevent similar issues from occurring in the future. This includes conducting thorough investigations, implementing corrective actions, and reporting to relevant stakeholders and authorities. In conclusion, assigning leadership accountability and responsibility is a critical component of achieving operational excellence in compliance policy. By holding leaders accountable for their performance, organizations can ensure that they prioritize compliance and risk management, allocate the necessary resources to support these efforts, and foster a culture of accountability and continuous improvement.